Howdy folks, this is John Dykus welcoming you to our weekly Waffle-Garden Tour. We see that the peas are doing fine, the corn is nice and green. The gopher stopper clover is growing quite well and is in flower. We also have shepherd's purse growing there. You will notice the corn is in tassel, and I just released a video on how to hand pollinate your corn so you get complete tip fill. I also did a video on how to add molasses to your soil to help the soil biology. Basically, you're feeding the microbes. That's why the fresh mulch on the young corn is so messed up looking. I just pour it direct out of the 5-gallon bucket. Here's some edible cactus and nasturtium. We have corn and potatoes growing together quite happily. At the top right, we see that I am watering tomatoes and other garden plants with the molasses water. That is melons being watered with the molasses water. This will help them grow quite a bit. Nice green leaves on the corn. There's a little squash plant there. It's good to grow a new squash plant or 2 or 3 every few weeks. Through the summer, your older squash plants will be more susceptible to mildew and overproduction issues. There is the new corn that was just planted about 5 days ago. There's the first one coming up out of the ground. And we have plums that are just starting to get ripe. Here's a little tip. If you have birds eating your plums and other fruits, keep a plush toy up there. It will scare the birds away. They will think it is a cat. Well folks, have yourselves a real good week. We'll see you next weekend.